I'm going to tell you the top 5 low-calorie cocktails you can make at home or order at the bar. Quick, clean, and under roughly 150 calories each. Let's go. 1. Skinny margarita, about 140 calories, 2 ounces Blanco tequila, 1 ounce fresh lime juice, half ounce orange juice, or a few drops orange extract, half ounce 0-calorie simple syrup, or 1 to 2 packets sweetener. I like to use stevia. To make it, add all ingredients to a shaker along with some ice. Shake it like you mean it. Strain over fresh ice. Optional, salt the rim of the glass before filling it and garnish with a lime wheel. 2. Paloma Light, about 125 calories, 1.5 ounces Blanco tequila, 2 ounces fresh grapefruit juice or light diet grapefruit soda, half ounce fresh lime juice. To make it, add all ingredients to a tall glass with ice. Top with soda water, quick stir, and optional garnish with a grapefruit wheel. 3. Whiskey Highball, about 105 calories, 1.5 ounces whiskey or bourbon, 4 to 6 ounces chilled soda water. To make it, fill a chilled highball glass with ice and add whiskey. Top with super cold soda water, 1 gentle stir. Express a lemon twist over the drink. 4. Gin and diet tonic, roughly 100 calories or less, 1.5 ounces of gin, 4 to 6 ounces diet tonic. To make it, add ice in a tall glass, add the gin, then add the diet tonic. Gentle stir and squeeze a lime. Optional, garnish with a lime wedge. And 5. Vodka soda, lime, around 98 calories, 1.5 ounces of vodka, 5 to 6 ounces soda water, 2 lime wedges. To make it, grab a tall glass, lots of ice, add vodka and top with soda water. Squeeze 2 lime wedges, drop 1 in. Careful when ordering any of these in a bar. A lot of bars and pubs don't have the lower calorie mixers or artificial sweeteners. Cheers. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what your favorite low-calorie cocktail is.